Our emitters are reasonably well protected from water. Therefore, even if your car is completely submerged underwater, or our emitter is submerged underwater, it will still work. We conducted an experiment, and now we will show what came of it. Here we have a water tank. Now we will take our emitter and completely submerge it under the water. Then we get it out, connect it to the car, start it up, and see if it works or not. Well, after we drowned our system and got it out of the water, and after the water was drained, the emitter continued its work. Therefore, we cannot worry about the waterproofness of the iXSOUND system.